good morning. I'm Bo, and this is the Bo Show. I wanted to give you the ins and outs of how to purchase a toilet. There's some key information that you'll want to definitely take into account when you're purchasing a toilet, and those are three key items. And then the last one is just an aesthetic item that is for personal taste. The first item is going to be the trap. Obviously, when you have a toilet, you want stuff to go through the trap, and you can see here the trap is this down here below. Many toilets have a smaller trap, and some toilets have a much larger trap. I recommend you definitely having a 3-inch trap. One of the great things about Toto toilets, my favorite, is that they have a 3-inch trap, but it's also fully glazed. If you can think of rough porcelain, you want to make sure that whatever you're flushing down the toilet goes down smoothly, and then you don't have any hiccups. So 1 is a 3-inch trap. 2 is it's fully glazed. The third issue is that you want to make sure that the flap inside the tank, the thing that lifts up and goes down, is the biggest possible. If you can think of a small flap opening up and only a small amount of pressure going through to push everything down the toilet, you want to have a large flap inside there to really get a lot of pressure. It's called head pressure, to flush everything down the toilet. So those are the three items: the trap, the fully glazed trap, and then the flap. Toto toilets have each of those characteristics that are really wonderful. The last item that I wanted to mention to you is whether or not you have a 2-piece toilet or a 1-piece toilet. As you can see here, this Toto toilet is a 1-piece. Makes a little bit less profile, a little bit smaller, nicer, cleaner look, and it's definitely a lot easier to clean. You don't have to get in there. If you have any additional questions about home renovations, real estate, or Toto toilets in particular, please let me know. Likewise, stay healthy. Bye-bye.